Hey everybody! Yesterday Procreate released a new version of the software with a few updates which are extremely helpful, and I wanted to make a video in order to show you how they might come handy in your workflow and to show you how I'm already saving time by using those. I've been using Procreate for years and I'm honestly a little embarrassed of how much time I've been wasting on basic layer management. So there are some brand new features in the latest update and they're absolute game changers for busy artists, so let me show you why. This is my favorite addition. You just use your left hand finger to click while color picking and it grabs the color only from that active layer. For example, I can go to my hair and I can try to color pick it, and you can see that there are plenty of colors that I can color pick. But once I click with my left hand finger, I can pick only the color of the hair, and wherever else I go, I can see only the black canvas, which has no color in it, just because my layer colors, my pixels on the layer are here. And that's really useful, especially when you use flipping masks with a lot of blend modes on top of your main layer and you need to pick the color of your main layer. And yes, it works on hidden layers too. And you can see color picking from it's completely different colors. And there is a pro tip. Remember to tap again to deactivate it, or you'll be wondering why your color picking feels stuck on the rest of your session. And that's okay. I definitely laughed at myself for not seeing that at first. How often do you have layers all over the place you want to group? Now you can group non-adjacent layers and the select all. That's amazing if you want to copy the whole canvas to final adjustments without flattening everything. So if I go here and I, for example, want to group that layer, and for example that layer, what I can do, I can select those three and I can click here on the new arrow here next to the layers, and I can do, for example, group. If I click group, what I can see is that everything is grouped down there. I'm curious though, which one of these are you going to use first? Is it the color pick or the layer grouping? Let me know in the comments. One more thing, if you, for example, decide to merge a few layers which are in some distance from one another, and if you click merge, you can see that everything is merged down there. So in the bottom part of the layers, basically if you have layer here and you have two at the bottom, everything is going to merge at the bottom part of the layer panel. But if you click on the layers and if you click on duplicate, then the duplication of those layers is going to happen at the top, just above the top layer of the selection that you created. I believe that's important, especially if you decide to create layers in certain places in order to avoid the additional moving of the layers in layers panel, so that's good to know. And if you like this video so far, be sure to subscribe for my channel. It means a lot. And the other thing that's a huge game changer for me is the select all feature in the layers submenu. If I click on select all, I can select everything that I have, which is amazing. And now once I select all, I can, for example, create a new group out of everything, and that is going to work just with a few clicks. Otherwise, before that feature, we need to manually go and select each and every layer one by one, which was a very tedious job to do. So yeah, thank you Procreate for adding that. And the last one, but not the least important, you can share multiple layers as separate images. This is huge if you're doing color variations, for example. So if I, for example, created a few color options of my drawings based on the color adjustments here in the Procreate adjustments menu, I can then in one click export every adjustment that I did. I'm going to select these three and I'm going to click here and I'm going to click share. And once I do that, I can click on save three images and voila, here they are, all of them in my camera roll. Awesome. And for my Spanish speaking friends, there is a new Spanish Latin American language support. Hopefully these changes will make your drawing session way faster. They definitely work already for me, so I hope that was helpful for you. If you find this video useful, be sure to subscribe for my channel for more art-related videos in the future. Thank you very much for spending the time with me, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!